You ever wish you had a second brain? One that never forgets a detail, never zones out, and actually makes meetings worth your damn time? That's HyNote. This isn't your grandpa's note-taking app. HyNote is a full-stack AI note-taker built to capture everything. Meetings, calls, lectures, even your 3 a.m. shower thoughts, and turn them into gold you can act on. While everyone else is scrambling to find their scribbles or half-baked Google Docs, HyNote is already organizing, tagging, and delivering insights so sharp they'll cut hours off your follow-up time. It records, transcribes, and summarizes in real time. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just dump words back at you. It actually distills the chaos into clean, actionable notes and reminders. Think marine-grade clarity meets AI wizardry. If you're building a business, closing deals, or running a team, this is leverage. It's like hiring a disciplined assistant who works 24/7, never asks for PTO, and remembers every single word you say. So stop drowning in sticky notes and start operating with a battle-ready system. HyNote isn't a tool, it's your unfair advantage. Ready to work smarter while everyone else is still scribbling? Check the link below and put HyNote in your arsenal today.